Welcome to a journey through the enchanting world of the Amazon rainforest. Immerse yourself in the mystical allure of the whispering trees as they tell their ancient secrets. These towering giants, reaching towards the heavens, hold the keys to the intricate web of life. Their leaves, lush and vibrant, offer a shelter to countless species that call this place home. Listen closely, and you might hear the soft rustle of the wind as it weaves between the branches. Every step you take reveals the hidden wonders that thrive in this lush paradise. But there's more to these trees than meets the eye. They are the lungs of our planet, providing us with precious oxygen. The symbiotic dance between the trees and the animals is a beautiful harmony of survival and dependence. The secretive jaguars silently move through the undergrowth, blending in with the dappled sunlight that filters through the leaves. Marvel at the spectacle of colorful macaws, their vibrant plumage stirring the forest with a burst of life. Witness the industrious ants, working tirelessly to create highways through the forest floor. Uncover the medicinal treasures hidden within the bark and roots, discovered and used by indigenous tribes for centuries. But this sacred place is under threat as human activities encroach upon this delicate ecosystem. Deforestation and illegal logging are taking their toll, robbing the whispering trees of their voice. It's time for us to stand together, to protect and preserve this invaluable treasure for generations to come. Let's embark on this journey together, explore the magic of the Amazon rainforest, and listen to the whispers of the trees.